Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery. In BL tonight, we're going to kick things off talking about Stanley Motta Limited declaring a dividend here. A pretty decent one for the company down at 58 Halfway Tree Road in that BPO business or the rental income business, real estate business. To be specific, advisory by the company, SML, that's the ticker symbol. Dividend declared 6.6 cents Jamaican here per share with the payment to be made early September, next month, September 2nd. Now, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund here, throwing in a little bit of a clinker here, reporting a net loss, disappointing earnings here for the second quarter. Sagicor going through a little bit of motion here with this company, also the Sagicor Select Funds. We see what they do long term with these two different vehicles or two different companies. Bottom line here though, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, top line of revenues year over year were pretty much exactly the same. Registering Jamaican 1.634 billion, approximately Jamaican 400,000 lower in this quarter year over year. Now, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, updated daily net asset value here, not Mayberry Investments or the investment bank, but MJE. Daily net asset value for August 5th, 2022, just under 17 bucks per share, 16.72 per share to be exact. Now, talk about a company here, FosRich Company Limited. If you got into their IPO or so at the peak, 20 times or so in terms of return on your investment, but at current share price or so, 15 times plus return on investment, really rivaling the JSE IPO or so for one of the best performing on the JSE. The stock market, FosRich Company Limited, by the numbers, urging the earnings here, continuing to rage and surge. Talk about the company here on fire. 87% for the earnings growth here, reporting earnings per share of 28 cents Jamaican versus 15 cents year over year for the second quarter. That's June 30th, 2022. Net profit by FosRich was 137 million Jamaican versus 76 million. And the top line, it grew so impressively as it should with these type of earnings. For the quarter, 898 million versus 543 million. They're getting that top line growth, turning over that inventory at FosRich, the company on Malines Road with a couple other branches. Top line grew 65%. Now, you got to read into that management discussion analysis, folks. FosRich during the quarter launched a new subsidiary. It's a 100% owned company incorporated in the quarter on April 12th. It's called ItsMoneyMark Electrical Supplies Limited. Last up tonight, we got Elon Musk here selling a further 7.92 million shares of Tesla. He came out early this year, April, May, and said he wasn't going to sell any more Tesla, but now you see it. He's got that legal battle. He's got Twitter to think about. If he doesn't do the Twitter deal, he says he launched his own social platform called X.com, and we know one thing with Musk, he gets it done. Bottom line here, public SEC filings coming out a couple of days ago. The share sales are worth just under 7 billion US, and of course, when you see something with Musk or something in the markets, it's probably not coincidental, as we mentioned, middle of the legal battle. And also, if the Twitter deal has to go through legally, it's a 44 billion deal, roughly, US dollars, of course, 54.20 per share, or approximately around that price. I'm Mark Croskery. Have a great night. This is Business Live.